What's up, guys, and welcome to the video. My name is Orane.
David.
Today we're going to be taking a look at a comparison between three different smartwatches. The Samsung S3 Frontier Edition, the new Fitbit Versa, and my really old but still awesome Moto 360 second generation.
And this is because your voice spoke loud enough for us to hear. You requested it, we're going to make it happen.
Awesome, so stay tuned. Let's get to the video.
Excuse me, sir.
All right.
You seem to know about some... You sell these things? You know about these things?
I sell watches, yes.
Okay. So, my wife, she wants me to get a cool watch and stick to technology and so many choices. What's the difference?
Gear S3, and it's the Frontier Edition.
I've heard of Samsung.
Okay, so the reason why this one is called the Frontier Edition is because it's heavy duty. You feel it?
Okay,
right?
I feel like Iron Man and it's about to turn into a suit or something.
So now, interestingly enough, they have a smaller face one. He doesn't want the bigger face because, you know, some guys like the big face, some women don't want the bigger face. If she wants something smaller, they have that available.
It looks sexy.
Yes, and that is probably on this table one of my favorite watches for working out with.
Working out?
Yeah. So
okay, I do some working out.
The question would be, does she exercise?
Well, now I'm talking about me, so excuse me, honey, but I'm talking about me.
Do you exercise?
Because this looks hot. Okay, I do exercise.
Okay.
I play basketball.
All right.
I might not look like it, but I play basketball, and I get banged around a lot.
Okay, so the idea is all these watches, they basically do the exact same thing. That's the rub, right?
That's kind of tricky, right there.
All of them are great, you know, heart monitor, tell time, of course, because they're watches.
They better.
They have different watch faces that you can download from online or through their app and put on the watch. If you're a gamer, they actually have a Fallout face.
Oh, that's good stuff.
Exactly. So they have different faces. Now, the Versa, this one is new. One of the issues I found with this watch, among the many issues I found with this watch.
Remember, you're trying to sell me stuff.
Again,
okay,
I'm not going to sell you this one.
Well, you're going to keep it real. All right, good stuff, good stuff.
This one doesn't have that many watch faces mainly because it's new. It's just been released and there's not a lot of people developing for it yet. So the watch faces for this one is very limited.
And what is this called again?
The Fitbit Versa.
Fitbit Versa.
Yes, and this literally just came out. This is the special edition. And what makes it special, so you can actually tie, it's called like a Fitbit Pay, and you can make purchases using the watch.
That's hot.
It is, but again,
you wouldn't recommend that. That sounds awesome.
Do the same thing. So we get back to that theme. The Moto 360 and the Samsung Gear are probably two of the best watches I've had. The Gear, this one has Samsung Pay integrated. And what Samsung Pay does is it basically gives you the ability to use your credit card through the watch wherever you can swipe or insert a credit card in any store.
I've seen that happen. So you just pretty much do this and keep it moving.
But because this kind of mimics your credit card, it basically is accepted anywhere.
Is it tied to your bank account?
It is.
Can it be?
Oh. It is, automatically. So you actually, when you make a purchase, you get a digital statement immediately saying that you bought this here, this is how much you spent.
Can somebody hack into that and
start? That's the interesting part. This one, when it's on your wrist, you still need to enter a passcode in order to enable it. As soon as you take it off your wrist, it automatically locks itself. And then if you don't know the password, there's no way to actually get into the watch.
Good stuff.
I'll get into some of the issues I have with the Versa itself.
The
battery life is terrible, right? It's supposed to last for 3 days. I was able to get probably a day, and then I had to charge it.
Now, I need my battery. I can't have my watch.
It's a watch, right?
Fall apart.
So the idea is, they said a lot of people have been having trouble with the battery problems. Fitbit's answer to that is to disable a lot of the features that make a smartwatch a smartwatch.
So Fitbit's solution is to make it a dumb watch again. Okay.
The not so smartwatch, right?
Right, no doubt. Okay.
When I go out, I use this one whenever I'm working out or I'm doing anything activity-wise.
The Samsung.
Exactly.
Okay.
But if I wanted to do something business-wise, I would use my Moto 360.
I see.
Now, I'll throw you a curveball to say that there is a classic version of this Samsung watch that is more stylish and looks something similar to the Moto 360. If you look at the Samsung one, it's kind of a recessed built-in screen, so it's harder. The damage will probably appear on the outside and not the screen itself.
Okay, and does this fall under like phones, insurances, and they'll cover that?
It depends on where you buy it. So I actually got that from my carrier, and my carrier does insure it in case anything happens. I'm able to send it back or get a replacement by paying the deductible.
Now, it's all gonna come down to the bread and butter. How much?
That's the cool part. The interesting thing is, this is about $220, right? With
the
tax,
not so
$230.
smartwatch.
Exactly.
Okay.
So the idea is, and just to give you an example of quality, you've held all three of them. Which one feels like a toy to you?
Well, this one feels like the toy. I'm not gonna lie. The Fitbit.
That's one of the things that disappointed me the most is you look at the box, it looks so great, and you'll see, because I'm going to do an unboxing video, and you'll see that linked down below in the comments. I was really excited with the picture of the box. It looked beautiful. When I held it, I was so disappointed because it felt so light in my hand. And if you hold any of these other watches, you can feel it like a premium watch. There's some weight behind it.
Doesn't look like
flimsy, right?
Or feel like it can withstand anything, as a matter of fact.
There you go.
I mean, I know nothing about Fitbit, but I'm saying this is kind of,
yeah.
I don't even want to break it. You see that? I'm not even trying to break it.
So the one I would definitely...
220, you say?
220. The one I would definitely sell you is the Gear. Now, you can probably get the Gear for about $250 to $260.
I thought you were going to jump hundreds, so this is not even a lot more.
It's not. You can actually get it for a really decent price, and a lot of the carriers now are offering the same kind of cell phone plan that they do where you buy it and pay for it over time. So it probably would only add about $5 to your bill per month. Honestly, I never liked smartwatches, but I got into smartwatches because I don't like dumb tech. I don't like anything that's dumb. So old watches, for me, they don't do much. Smartwatches are kind of like having wearable technology on your hand.
Okay.
This feels like a dumb watch to me.
I don't dumb watch. So we're gonna Fitbit is the dumb watch. I'm not buying that crap.
I'm not gonna recommend that one. The one I would recommend the most is gonna be the Samsung.
So everything I can do on my phone, from watching YouTube videos to a timer, it's a watch, of course, right? I'll be able to do on that one?
Well, no, not everything, but the idea is it's integrated into everything you do. So
please explain that.
You can't watch videos on it.
Okay.
When it's linked to your phone and you're playing videos on it, you can control fast forward, rewind, and pause options through your watch.
Like a remote control.
Exactly.
Okay.
Right now, you can listen to music without your phone on this.
Oh, that's all right.
You can make phone calls without your phone on this. This has its own voicemail. You can give it its own telephone number. The idea of this watch is, for instance, if you were to go out jogging, some people don't want to bring, because I have a Note 8, which is a pretty big phone.
Okay.
It's very hard to jog and move around with that in your pocket.
Sure enough.
So I can actually leave my phone at home, bring this watch with me, and still not be disconnected. It can store probably about 100 songs.
Okay, that's good for a run, right?
It is, songs? And the idea is to get you through your workout. So it's not going to, store your entire iTunes catalog or your entire Google Play catalog, but it's enough to get you from point A to point B in a workout. If you preload the songs before you go, by the time you come back home, you probably won't hit your max. In short, you gotta skip this one.
No Fitbit.
Right? You can buy this one, but...
The Moto 3, right? Because it's more elegant, professional. But the Samsung
is a definite. If you want a smartwatch that integrates with everything and you have an Android phone, I have to preface that because it does work with iPhones, but a lot of those features only work on Android.
Okay.
So, if you want a smartwatch, you want to get into the smartwatch, this is probably one of the best ones you can buy at the moment.
I dig that.
Yep, and it's not as expensive.
So
this was our comparisons of the 3 smartwatches. Always remember, you share your voice in the comments down below if you guys have any of these, if you have a different opinion
on the Fitbit, right? Can you protect the Fitbit?
I can't see why you would.
But okay.
Go ahead and share that in the comments down below as well. Remember, your voice matters.
Absolutely. Peace.